Hey everyone, this is Or from Wicked Cushions, and today we're going to answer the question, are my Bose 700 headphones waterproof, water resistant, or sweat resistant? So, for the official answer from Bose's website and from their warranty, these headphones are not waterproof, not water resistant, and not sweat resistant. However, it does not mean that you cannot work out with these headphones or they would not survive a little bit of splash of water. The reason that Bose certifies that they're not sweat-proof or waterproof is to protect themselves from the warranty, which I find a little bit hypocritical considering the fact that these headphones are mainly advertised with athletes. Now, why do I personally think that you can work out with these headphones? I personally work out with these, and I've worked out with the QC25, QC35, and the QC35 too. I've never had any electronical issues happen to them while working out, but there are some damages that do happen from working out with these headphones. Now, the parts that do get damaged the most out of working out are the ear pads and the headband. With the firmware models of Bose, the QC25 and the QC35, the headband used to be made out of felt and PU leather, which used to make it go bad much quicker. With the Bose 700, it's made out of silicone. And from my experience with the Beats that are made out of silicone as well on their headband, it does not go bad really quick. It takes a long time. But with the ear pads, which for Bose and Beats are both made out of PU leather, they are gonna go bad really quick. So what can you do about this if you plan on working out with these headphones? Fortunately, there's replacement parts for the headband and for the ear pads. The headband is really difficult to replace, so I'm not gonna even talk about it. But the ear pads are so easy to replace that literally a 5-year-old can do it. And we have a video showing you how, and we're gonna link it down below. So what can you do so you don't have to change the ear pads every 3 or 4 months? There's actually 3 things that you can do. One of them is cleaning the ear pads after every workout, and we made a video just for that, and we're gonna link it down below. The second one is putting your headphones in the case every time you don't use them. And the third one is you can just grab a silica gel packet, which you can buy off Amazon, and place it in the case with the headphones. The silica gel packet is gonna keep the ear pads fresh and moisture free. Moisture is what actually makes the ear pads crack. So, in conclusion, these headphones are not officially waterproof or sweat resistant. The reason is, Bose does not want to handle any warranty issues. However, it does not mean that these headphones will survive a little bit of splash of water or sweat. However, don't drown them in a bucket of water. Thank you for watching this video. I hope that I answered all of your questions and it was helpful. If you do have any more questions, don't hesitate to contact us or simply comment down below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel as we release more content every month.